Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel MacPM. So in this video we'll solve a numerical problem from the chapter Kinematics of Fluid Flow. So let's read the problem. It is based on the continuity equation and velocity and accelerations. Okay, so a fluid flow field is given by, this is the formula for velocity, which is v is equal to x square yi plus y square j minus 2xyz plus yz square k. Prove that this is the case of possible steady incompressible fluid flow. And next one is calculate the velocity and acceleration at the point 2, 1, 3. Okay, so first of all, see, this is the velocity. So v is velocity is given as ui plus vj plus zk. So if we compare these two, this one and this one, then we can find that u is equal to x square y, v is equal to, these are the three components of velocity, u, v and w in three directions. Okay, so y square z and w is equal to minus 2xyz plus yz square. Okay, so this is u, v and w. Now what we have to do, prove that it is the case of possible steady incompressible flow. Okay, so to be in a possible fluid flow, it has to satisfy continuity equation. Okay, so what is the continuity equation? So continuity equation is del rho upon del t plus del rho u upon del x plus del rho v upon del y plus del rho w upon del z is equal to 0. So if it is a incompressible flow, then del rho upon del t will become 0, because if it is incompressible flow, then density will become constant with respect to time. Okay, and if it is a steady flow, then rho will be come out of, means density will be constant with respect to space, and here density is constant with respect to time. So this is, it will become 0 if it is incompressible flow, and if it is steady flow, then density will become constant. So it will come out of the bracket, so it will become rho del u upon del x plus del v upon del y plus del w upon del z is equal to 0. So from here we can write that del u upon del x plus del v upon del y plus del w upon del z is equal to 0. So this is the continuity equation, simplified one for incompressible and steady flow. Okay, so if this velocity field satisfies this equation, then it will be possibly a fluid flow. Okay, so if we find del u upon del x, from here you can see del u upon del x will become 2xy, because it is a partial differentiation. So we are differentiating with respect to x, so we will consider everything else as constant. So y will become constant, it will come out, and differentiation of x square is 2x. Similarly, del v upon del y is equal to 2yz. Similarly, del w upon del z is equal to minus 2xy plus 2yz. Okay, so if we put these values in the equation number 1, suppose this is equation number 1, then if we put these values here, then we will get del u upon del x is 2xy plus del v upon del y is 2yz plus del w upon del z is minus 2xy minus 2yz. Here it is plus, but if we open the bracket, then it will become minus. Okay, so minus 2xy and plus 2xy will become 0, and minus 2yz and plus 2yz, so it is equal to 0. Everything is cancelled out, so it is 0. So we can also write that del u upon del x plus del v upon del y plus del w upon del z is becoming 0 here. So this is satisfying the continuity equation, so it can be a possible fluid flow, okay, because it is satisfying the continuity equation. Now what is the next part of the question? Next part is, we have solved up to here. Now calculate the velocity and acceleration at point 213. So we will write again v is equal to, so that we can see x square yi plus y square zj minus 2xyz plus yz square k. Okay, so this is our velocity. If we have to find velocity at 213, so 213. Okay, so if we put the values here, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 from here, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3. If we put this value here, then we will become x square means 2 square, 4 into y is 1, I plus y square is 1 square into z is 3, j minus 2 into x into y into z plus y is 1 into z square is 3 square k. So we will become 4i plus 3j minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12 plus 9k. So it will become v is equal to 4i plus 3j minus 21k. So this is our velocity component at this point 213. Okay, if it have to find the resultant velocity, then it will become equal to u square plus v square plus w square. So what is u, v and w here? U is 4 square plus 3 square plus minus 21 square. Okay, so it will become 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9 plus 21 square is 441. So it will become root 466, which is equal to 21.587 units. So this is our velocity, because there is no. Okay, so let's move to the next part. Second one is acceleration. At 2, 1, 3. Okay, so what is the components of acceleration? In x direction, ax is given as u del u by del x plus v del u by del y plus w del u upon del z. Okay, ay is given as v u del v by del x plus v del v by del y plus w del v upon del z. Similarly, az is given as u del w upon del x plus v del w upon del y plus w del w upon del z. Okay, now if we see from here, then u is given as x square y, v is given as y square z, and w is given as minus 2xyz plus yz square. Okay, so from here, del u upon del x, for ax we will calculate del u upon del x is equal to 2xy, del u upon del y is x square, and del u upon del z is 0. So ax will become u into del u by del x. So u is x square y into del u by del x is 2xy plus this one v is given as y square z into del u upon del y is x square plus w is minus 2xyz plus yz square into del u upon del is 0. So it will become ax is equal to x square y, sorry, if you multiply it 2x cube y square plus y square x square y square z. So this is our ax, or acceleration in x direction. This is question number suppose 1a. Then what will be ay? For ay you can see that what is ay? Ay is u del v by del x. So if we find del v by del x is given as 0 plus del v upon del y, del v upon del y will become 2yz and sorry this is comma, del v upon del z is y square. So if we put all the values, then ay will become, what is the formula for ay? This ay will become u into del v by del x. So u is x square y into del y by del x, del v by del x is 0 plus v, what is v? Y square z into del v by del y is 2yz plus w is minus 2xyz plus yz square into del v upon del z, which is y square. So it will become, this will become 0, 2y cube z square minus 2x y cube z plus y cube z square. So it will become 3y cube z square minus 2x y cube z. This is our ay. Sorry, there was one mistake, because this is minus outside the bracket, then it will become also minus. So this 2 minus 1 will become 1. So it is y cube z square minus 2xy cube z. Okay, so this is ay. Suppose this is equation 1b. Similarly az, formula for az is given as this. So for that we will find del w upon del x is equal to, if you see w here, del, it will become minus 2yz. Okay, only this, del w upon del y will become minus 2xz plus z square, and del w upon del z will become equal to minus 2xy plus 2yz. Okay, so acceleration will become, az will become, sorry, u into del w upon del x. So u is x square y and del w upon del x is minus 2yz plus v is given as y square z into del w upon del y is minus 2xz plus z square plus w is given as minus, so this will be minus 2xyz plus yz square into del w upon del z, which is also minus, so minus will become plus 2xy plus 2yz. Okay, so this is value of az. So if we multiply these two, if we simplify this, then it will become minus 2x square y square z plus this will become, this is minus, so it will become minus 2x y square z square plus this into this will become y square z cube plus this and this will become 2 into 2 4 x square y square z, this and this will become plus 4x y square z square plus this and this will become 2x y square z square and this in this will become plus 2y square z cube. Okay, so this is value of az. If we see these two are similar, so this is minus 2x square y square z, this is plus 4x square y square z, so it will become 4 minus 2 is equal to 2x square y square z. Okay, similarly we will try to find other similar terms. This is y square z square x y square z square, this is also x is y square z square, so this is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 x y square z square. Okay, this is y square z cube, this is also y square z cube, so this is 2 and 1 3 y square z cube plus 2x y square z square, so this is x y square z square, this is also x y square z square, so this is 2 plus 2, so 2x square y square z plus 4x y square z square plus 3 y square z cube, so this is equation 1c. So we have found the value of ax, ay and az. Okay, so if we put the values, we had to find these values at 2, 1 and 3, 0.21 and 3, this, so we can put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3. So if we put this value here at ax here in equation 1a, then we will get ax is equal to 2 into x was 2 cube into y is 1 square plus 2 square 1 square into 3, so it will become equal to 16 plus 12, it will become 28 units. Okay, so this is ax. Similarly, what is ay? Ay is this, so if you put values, then we will get ay is equal to y cube, which is 2 cube into z square, which is 3 square minus 2 into y was 1 and z, because it is 2, 1 and 3, so x is 2, y is 1, z is 3, So 1 cube into 3 square minus 2 into 2 into 1 cube into 3. So it will become 9 minus 12. So it will become minus 3. This is our AY. Similarly AZ, so AZ will become 2 into 2 square into 1 square into 3 plus 4 into 2 into 1 square into 3 square plus 3 into 1 square into 3 cube. So it will become 8 into 3 24 plus 4 72 plus 81. Okay, so if you add all, then we will get maybe there is some mistake. If we see it again, the value should be, let me check. This is okay, this is also okay, this is y square z cube, okay. So del w upon del y was 2xz plus z square and minus was there, so y into this was here. This was minus, so this was also minus y square z cube. So this was minus and this y square z cube was plus, so this will become 1 y square z cube. So this is 1 y square z cube. So this is 27 only. So if we add all this, then we will get 123. Sorry, that's what the only mistake I was trying to find out. So this will become 123. Okay, so if we add all three components, then acceleration A will become axi plus ayj plus azk. Okay, so if we put all the values, ax was 28, I and ay was minus 3, j plus az was 123 k. Okay, so this is the value of a solution in vector form. And if you try to find the resultant acceleration, then resultant acceleration will become ax square plus ay square plus az square. So if we put all the values, then we will get 28 square plus minus 3 square plus 123 square. Okay, so it will become 28 square is 784 plus 3 square is 9 plus 15129. Okay, So it will become under root 15922. So it will become 126.18 units. So this is the value of resultant acceleration. So I hope you understood how to prove that vector is fluid flow or not. Like we checked by equation of continuity, and then we know the formula of resultant accelerations, three components of acceleration, ax, ay, and az. And similarly we also know the how to calculate resultant velocity and resultant acceleration. I hope you understood this problem. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section, and if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.